How to turn off haptic feedback or vibration effect in Zooba game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Haptic feedback is a small vibration you feel when you tap buttons or fight in Zooba. If you want to turn that off, first of all launch the Zooba game on your device and from the main lobby screen, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear icon. This will open up the settings menu where you need to tap visual on the left. Inside visual, you'll see the haptic option. To turn off the haptic feedback, go to the damage taken or damage done option and turn off the feedback for whichever option you want. For example, if you want to turn off the haptic feedback for damage taken, toggle off the switch right next to damage taken. And if you want to do that for damage done as well, just tap on the toggle button off. So once you turn these two buttons off, you will be able to turn off the haptic feedback. Now you know how you can easily turn off haptic feedback in Zooba. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.